Lekker Johnny, wat's vir lunch?
Ek het 'n lekker kaasbroodjie. Wil jy een hê?
Ek het net 'n pakkie Max Spice.
Jy Max Spice. Ons gaan lekker mac and cheese maak.
Ja!
Sit bietjie op, skiet op. Klein bietjie. Sy. Hy's joune.
Dankie Pel.
Gooi vir my op. Sy maak toe. Ham! Hoe lekker is hy?
Ja!
Ja? Hoe lekker raak hy dan nou? Lekker man.
Max Spice is not just one spice, it's about 6 or 7, 8 spices in here, which is all blended together, which gives an all-round flavor, which makes it nice. Even if you make a potjie in your cooking, you don't have to have, like I always say to the guys who's got the 4x4s in the motorbike, all that your 4x4 bakkie needs is a pot of Max Spice or a sachet in front, a motorbike. I mean, you put this in your jacket pocket of your motorbike, wherever you stop, you will be the hero when you light your fire and start braaiing with Max Spice. I mean, even the guys, if they want to do a quick pop and tick or whatever they want to do, you can just light the fire, throw a packet, one packet into your goulash, shake it up, put the onions, a bit of potatoes, whatever. The flavor is there. You don't need to have everything. So what I'm saying to everyone out there, please just get a packet of this, keep it in your bakkie, keep it in your car, keep it in your pocket, keep it in your lunchbox, have it with you all the time. You will be an instant braai champion or a top chef.
Lekker wat maak nou kos, hè?
We're sitting here in the bushveld again, and I just want to introduce the Max Spice team. We've got Robin, Dulani, and George. These are the guys, and we want to do a road show and go out on the road and meet everyone in South Africa. Anyone, because we've done all our work, and anyone who's got a shop or someone who wants to meet the Max Spice team, please, we're going to do a big road show through South Africa, and we would love it if you guys contact us, because we'd like to do a campaign where if you contact us, we'll pop in by you, and we will bring you your samples and your stock and set you up so that you can become part of Max Spice, spreading the flavor and getting the taste out there so that we can all become top chefs and great braaiers and cooking champs.
Yes.
Hey?
So we can all fire up the flavor.
That's it.
Fire up the flavor, ja.
Fire up the flavor.
Ngazama nomuntu omhlophe nomuntu omnyama. Can be Xhosa, can be Zulu, can be Tswana. You can use Max Spice.
Everybody.
Everyone.
So if you want to see us, contact us. We'll send the email address and the contact numbers above, and then wait for us. We're in the area. When we'll pop in, we'll come see you guys.
For sure.
Kandi ma spice okomesa zakudya kwambiri mukhoza kuthira kunyama, kunkhuku, chakudya chili na chili chose cha ndiwo mukhoza kuthirako ma spice yake omwewa.